Do you feel like no matter how much potential you have, you're just not living up to it? Are you tired of starting over and over again without actually finishing anything? Do you feel like you're just going through the motions in life, stuck in a rut and unsure of what to do next? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this channel is for you. Welcome to Kill the Comfort channel. In this channel, we'll be discussing the importance of killing the comfort in your life in order to achieve success and fulfillment. We'll explore how comfort can hold you back from reaching your goals and what you can do to overcome it. So, if you're ready to take control of your life and stop making excuses, then keep watching. You don't need more motivation. You've watched hundreds of videos. You've heard all the affirmations. You've saved reels that never changed your life. But deep down, you're still stuck. Not because you're lost, but because you're comfortable. Are you tired of feeling unmotivated and stuck in your current situation? Do you feel like you're just going through the motions in life without any real purpose or direction? Are you tired of making excuses for why you can't achieve your dreams? If so, then this video is for you. In this channel, we'll be exploring the concept of killing the comfort and how it can help you to break free from the cycle of procrastination and self-doubt. Comfort is the enemy of progress. It's easy to stay in your comfort zone and do the same things every day without ever really challenging yourself. However, in order to achieve success and fulfillment in life, you must be willing to step outside of your comfort zone and take risks. By killing the comfort, you can break free from the chains that are holding you back and start living a life that you're truly proud of. So, if you're ready to take control of your life and start making positive changes, then hit subscribe or come back next year still stuck, still soft, still scrolling. Kill the comfort before it kills you. New videos weekly.